Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to TJ's Maths and Further Maths Adventures. In today's presentation, we are looking at question from WASSCE 2024 Mathematics, Section A, Paper 2, the theory part. This is question 3. In my previous video, I have solved question 1 and question 2. So this is question 3. The question reads, a circular floor of a building is to be tiled with ceramic tiles, each of side 40 cm by 40 cm. If the perimeter of the floor is 66 meters, we are asked to calculate current to the nearest whole number, the number of tiles required to completely tile the floor. We are asked to take pi to be 22 divided by 7. And this question carry 8 marks. Of course, the first thing for us to do is to identify this question is from which topic. This is from plane geometry. So let's look at how we can solve it. The first thing, let's write down the solution here. Solution now. We are told from the question that a circular floor of a building is to be tiled with a ceramic tiles. Each of the side of each tile is 40 cm by 40 cm. So the first thing for us to do, we can find the area of each tile. Since the tiles measure 40 cm by 40 cm, to find the area is we can multiply 40 times 40. That will be, so area of each tile now will be 40 cm times 40 cm, and that will be 1006 centimeter square. So this will be the area of each tile. We can still convert this to meter square. The reason is the perimeter is given in meter, so we can convert this to meter square. And we know that 1 meter square is equals to 10,000 centimeter square. So it means if you are converting from centimeter square to meter square, we divide this by 10,000. So this is the same thing as we divide 1006 by 10,000. That will be 0.16 meter square. So this is in meter now. Okay, so this is the area of each tile now. Okay, so the next thing is if the perimeter of the floor, they have given us the perimeter of the floor, and mind you, that floor is in circular floor, meaning it's in form of a circle. So it's a circular floor. So it means the perimeter of a circle now, C, let's write the perimeter of a circle. So the floor is a circular floor, it means circle, is given as pi d or 2 pi r. So if the diameter is given, to find the perimeter we use pi d. If the radius is given, we can use 2 pi r. But for us to find the area of the floor, which is the amount of the space that tiles will occupy, we have to first of all find the radius, given that the perimeter is 66. So we use 2 pi r to find the radius. So since C is equals to 2 pi r, given that C is 66, so we have 66 will be equals to 2 times 22 divided by 7 times r. So we can find the radius now. We can cross multiply here. So let's do that. 66 times 7, that will be 462. That will be equals to 22 times 2, 44 times r. That will be 44r. So we can divide both sides by 44 to find the radius. So r now will be 462 divided by 44. 462 divided by 44. That will be 10.5 meter. So that will be the radius of the circle here now. So since we know the radius of the circle, we can find the area of the circle, because the question says we are asked to calculate correct to the nearest whole number, the number of tiles required to completely tile the floor, and that floor is in a circular shape. So for us to find the number of tiles now, we have to find the area of each tiles, then find the area of the circle, which is the amount of space that an object or items occupy. That's what we mean by area of a plane shapes. Okay, so let's move here. Since we are almost through, let's move here. We can find the area now. Okay, so area of a circle now. Area of a circle is equals to pi r square. Okay, so pi from the question is 22 divided by 7 times radius now is 10.5. That will be 10.5 all square. Okay, so let's work on this. 10.5 square times 22 we'll have 2425.5 divided by 7. This will give us the area now. So the area now, A will be, let's divide this by 7, divided by 7. That will be 346.5 meter square. So number of the tiles now required. So last thing, the number of the tiles required to completely cover the floor, to completely covered the floor, or that circular floor now will be equals to area of the circle now, area of the circle divided by the area of each tiles, area of each tile. So area of the circle is 346.5 divided by area of each tiles, which is 0.16 meters square. So divided by 0.16. So what will be the answer? Let's divide now. Divided by 0.16. That will be 2165.625. And the question said to the nearest whole number. So the final answer to the nearest whole number will be 2166 tiles. So this will be the number of tiles required to cover that circular floor completely. So we need about 2166 tiles. So this is the solution to this question. Thank you for watching. Please do share this to your learned colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. In my previous video, I will solve question 4 from WASSCE 2024 Mathematics. Thank you for watching.